In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Claude Code VS Code extension step by step. Claude Code can significantly improve your development workflow by bringing AI-powered coding assistance directly into your editor. Instead of constantly switching between applications, you can interact with Claude while working inside your coding environment. This allows you to generate code, explain functions, debug issues, review files, and get programming assistance without leaving Visual Studio Code. However, before you can take advantage of these features, you need to properly install and configure the extension. The good news is that the setup process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. By the end of this video, you'll have the Claude Code extension installed, connected, and ready to use within VS Code. So, let's get started. The first method is to install the extension. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Next, click the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the left side of the window. In the search box, type Claude Code. Locate the extension in the results list and click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the extension has been installed, you may be prompted to sign in to your Claude account. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the authentication process. After signing in successfully, open a project folder in VS Code. The extension should now be available within your workspace. Depending on the version of the extension, you may see a Claude panel, command palette options, or contextual actions within the editor. You can now begin using Claude to assist with coding tasks, explanations, debugging, and project development directly from Visual Studio Code. If prompted, review any available settings and configure the extension according to your workflow preferences. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the Extensions panel in Visual Studio Code. Second, search for and install the Claude Code extension. And third, sign in to your Claude account and begin using the extension within your projects. Remember that integrating AI assistance directly into your editor can help streamline development and reduce context switching. Having Claude available inside VS Code makes it easier to review code, solve problems, and accelerate common development tasks. It's also a good practice to keep both VS Code and the extension updated to ensure compatibility and access to the latest features. Taking a few minutes to configure the extension properly can improve your productivity throughout future coding sessions. And that's how to set up the Claude Code VS Code extension step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.